Alright, we added another one. We have a table saw, and now we have a scroll saw. And it's good to add this to our collection because now we can do really intricate details, which is definitely going to help our modding. And that's going to go into there.
But start
And
small, okay?
it's love!
Have just one or two designs.
Alright, so this is the USB stick that I've done for my wonderful girlfriend. So, yeah, and it's finished now. This is my first attempt at carving wood. So, whilst this is for my girlfriend, you indeed have a chance to win one of my USB sticks.